In this section, we'll take a deeper look at the SEO Pilot dashboard. The dashboard is your operational command center. It's designed to give you immediate clarity on performance trends and technical health without forcing you to dig through multiple reports. Everything here is built to answer two critical questions. How is SEO performing? And what requires attention right now? All data displayed here comes directly from Google Search Console, based on the site and date range you select. Before interpreting the data, start with the two controls at the top. The Site Selector lets you switch between properties you manage. Each site pulls its own Google Search Console data and metrics. The Date Range defines your analysis window. Use it to compare performance across specific timeframes, whether you're reviewing monthly growth, measuring campaign impact, or analyzing post-deployment changes. Always set these first. When you change either control, the entire dashboard updates instantly. The four primary metrics provide an instant snapshot of search performance. Total clicks shows how much organic traffic your SEO is generating. Total impressions reflects visibility, how often your pages appear in search results. Average CTR shows how effectively impressions convert into clicks. A low CTR combined with high impressions usually indicates that titles or meta descriptions may need optimization. Average position indicates how competitive your rankings are. Remember, lower is better. Position 3 outperforms position 10. The chart in each card is reversed, so upward movement means better rankings. Each metric shows change versus the previous period. Green indicates improvement, red indicates decline. Use this to quickly spot upward momentum or areas that need attention. The mini trend visualizations inside each card help you spot patterns immediately. Instead of reading isolated numbers, you can see whether performance is stable, volatile, or consistently improving. A flat line with a negative percentage change may indicate a recent drop. A rising trend with positive change suggests consistent growth. This is especially valuable for agencies managing multiple accounts, where quick assessment is critical. For agencies managing multiple accounts, this allows fast performance assessment at a glance. Below the cards, the Performance Trends chart provides a more detailed view of how clicks, impressions, CTR, and average position evolve over time. You can see how ranking shifts correlate with traffic movement and whether improved positions are translating into real user engagement. Use the legend to toggle each line on or off. This level of visibility helps teams connect technical improvements to measurable results. When you're ready to drill deeper, click View Performance to explore queries, pages, and filters in the Performance module. On the right side, the Website Health panel delivers a technical overview of your site. The health score summarizes overall SEO technical condition. Below that, issues are categorized into errors, warnings, and notices, allowing you to prioritize based on severity. Fix errors first. They have the highest impact on crawlability and indexing. This ensures technical debt doesn't silently undermine performance gains. Click View Detailed Report to open the Audit module and work through each issue step by step. Just below that, the Resolution Progress Indicator tracks how many issues you've already fixed versus the total. As you resolve issues in the Audit module, this bar fills up. For enterprise teams and agencies, this provides measurable accountability, making it easy to demonstrate progress internally or to clients. Next, Geographic Performance. This section shows where your search traffic comes from. The world map highlights countries by traffic level. Darker shades mean more clicks. The top countries list shows each country's click count and percentage change versus the previous period. Use this to spot growing or declining markets. The low to high traffic slider lets you filter which countries appear. Focus on your strongest markets or identify emerging ones that deserve more attention. Keyword distribution breaks down your rankings by position range. The donut chart shows how many keywords sit in top 3, top 4 to 10, top 11 to 20, top 21 to 50, and beyond. The summary cards highlight top 3, first page, and page 2, the positions that typically drive most of your traffic. Keywords in positions 4 to 10 are often quick wins. A small push can move them to page 1. Click View All Keywords to jump to the Performance module's Query section for full keyword data and filters. The Reports section turns dashboard insights into action. Each card takes you directly to a specific report. Keyword Insights and Page Insights surface newly added keywords and pages. Low CTRs by page and low CTRs by query help you find underperforming content. Top query per page shows the best performing query for each page. Long tail keywords and winners versus losers help you spot opportunities and track momentum. Use these reports to prioritize what to optimize next. Click View Reports to see the full list. To tie it together, the power of the dashboard lies in how performance data and technical health are presented side by side. If rankings drop, check whether technical issues increased, then open the Audit module via View Detailed Report. If impressions rise but clicks remain flat, investigate CTR. Use the Low CTRs reports or the Optimize module to improve titles and snippets. If geographic performance shows a market declining, dig into that country's queries in the Performance module. The dashboard helps you move from observation to action quickly. And now, to summarize everything we've seen in the dashboard. You've learned how to read the key metrics, trends, and health indicators, and how to move from observation to action. The dashboard gives you clarity. The Performance module gives you depth. This wraps up the dashboard deep dive. Next, we'll move into the Performance module, where we'll analyze ranking and traffic trends in greater detail. Use the left navigation to access Performance, Audit, Optimize, or Reports whenever you're ready to dive deeper.